Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Etiefo, mimamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Ensembi aba a ewo se senya munim no yede etumunim na wobia ehu de eko. In accordance with the Supreme Court judges, orders a womama say witness bia and filing a statement no. The electoral commissioner Jean Mensa a file ne witness statement. Na wakan sembia na enye se quarter na kaye kra yenim. Ensem na wakan no dodo na ensem a consistently the EC has actually been saying when it comes to this particular issue. Ensem ni bi nso yensem a we didn't know until say court in some abem na mesramo and that your first time we have subscribe na click notification bell no and no na that screen so no we are share video way now mesramo breaking news there mensaka and I'll bring you that later. You see, we have an official WhatsApp platform, link now our description box nimo. You can join it opa sa share wa join our same way so I mean port here number no so ene da screen ase no obetumi ayene sa na trese ye koyeni. Now the electoral commissioner Jean Mensa aba bonten na ensem a waka e won the witness statement no enye sa aba bonten per se but okay abonten because it's in the public, you know, a court any akọ o dey asento to court it's in the public what you are saying tisane ye kano. Okay, so Jean Mensa ka na ne tenteni ni tietia ne say John Dramani Mahama ne Jean Mensa witness statement no me bon it off am wi anama konsem ni mu ne tenteni ni tietia ne say the relief John Dramani Mahama wopeno he thinks he's entitled to no the claims will claim the relief now wo kan say wopeno ade bia just mere claims. John Dramani Mahama is not entitled to those reliefs he is claiming. Asema what can the tintini ni titi no no. Obi be say you release ben say John Dramani Mahama eka say oh abato no yema yenkoto no foforo because errors biko baby and the vote pardon na say and I say sansem ni na no. Wo country Supreme Court say John Dramani Mahama is not entitled to it because in some what can na enimu. Now the witness statement no Jean Mensa finally in court and you see Sisiano a court and over to media akasa finally in court was see the actual figures are President Akufo-Addo elteniye a 51% no a 51.295%. Sisia there were the court and him na wakwa kan was see the actual figures because when him say one thing a year NDC 4 can no almost say oh energy mensa energy mensa because who can results ne pa ye name the actual result Jean Mensa kwa kokan court said the actual result is 51.295 which meant say more than 50% threshold ewa Ghana your constitution article 63.3 of the 1992 constitution say e was say will be a winning no other than the president was say nipa kuninya 50+1 was say that threshold na eda ho no our your constitution mu no President Akufo-Addo ocean the figure of 51.295 na President Akufo-Addo pass that threshold ne ho asamo Jean Mensa workani yes statement na wo call no what should I say yes she is the returning officer of the December 7th presidential election. And you no pe na to mission nsa so obetumi akire say number nini sisi a wa kire number no enu ani obi be bisa say inti errors no efrihi will explain here e won the witness statement no edu ho a me kire ase what say sa battle we are to ye she did it in it was actually in accordance to the Public Election Regulation 2020 CI 127 and no any regulate is at December 7th election. Now it was laid out in 4 stages, especially when it comes to the coalition side of the presidential results. Now 4 stages. Into which stages, no, from the polling station up to the head office of the Electoral Commission. 4 stages and a film. Now, according to the witness statement, Awakano was say all the 4 stages, no, at every point, summary of the various votes were collated and recorded on Form 8B. Summary Form 8B. The recorded also Form 10. There was so Form 12 and Form 13. Summary of all the results, no, they were recorded on these forms. Now, also the agents need be no more why, because every polling station and a polling agent say bar, it was say every polling station, but I was say polling agent was signing. Then you want to say yes, NDC polling agent was signing my year who say NDC for Jabato not to, but polling agent need be one signing or send the correct polling agent need be unsigned, but baby a polling agent no one signing no. You provide a form. Na polling agent no, you man opportunity to state reasons in tier one sign the form no. Tibi odaka so den tier man sign ne say nkuntabo no ankoye, den tier man sign ne say misusu say abantro no ye wiem. Nti omo a wo man sign ne na ye ma wo mo kire wo mo nsem mu e wo form foforo so. And obia e wo duplicate carbon copy of the summary sheet. Obia will be agent ne candidate no obia will duplicates. We are no matter na say the outstanding issues no you resolve it. Or see the actual figure and anadunya is 6,730,413 of the valid votes. John Dramani Mahama, who is the petitioner, when you are 6,214,889 of the valid votes. Now total valid votes no 13,121,111. Calculations nature say President Akufo-Addo enya more than 50%. That is what she said on the I'm saying the witness statement I will file here and some more welcome woman no. Now, was it was clear say we share Akufo-Addo number now when you na the outstanding constituency are Techiman South to the beka ho na wo dini na Emma Mahama kra still Mahama nya de ankobepe Akufo-Addo ho intia na wo ba abonten ebe declare results no. And in some way and same be consistently the EC were striking on it into me sure say no and share that news amount. Now this is where I walk say error no esi. Was it the total number of votes cast? 13,434,534. Now, mistake I will know here and say, what was our total number of votes cast no as total votes? Muntieni was there any mathematical errors about and the NDC for the apogee say and the EC error or ye error or ye. Was it total votes cast? 13 million. It was inadvertently announced as the total votes. Now, for here, even me, I am even confused because total vote cast, I think, is the same as total votes, unless there are technicalities I don't understand. But say okay say total vote cast. Now born as total valid voter. I'm say now person can say born as total valid vote. So it's either say the report coming out no and alpha valid dan show and now say one kasa what on the witness statement maybe I will make it a mistake no, because what the report right in front of me they say the total number of votes cast being 30,434,574 was inadvertently announced as the total votes. But total votes cast is the same as total votes. And Total vote, but total vote cast is different from total valid vote. Inti me sure say maybe no person can say total vote cast no one kobo ni ye no kobo no as total valid votes and no any mistake ne buy. So that's what I think she wanted to say. That's what I think she wanted to say. Said the total vote cast no mistakenly or kobo as total votes, total valid votes. And no any man wuru haha ena nsem yi ekoso ena say no say ni nechi wo kan sa asem na wo ye mistake ni na ewie ye kra no wo san so eba abonten through social media eba correct mistake no. Now this is one of this particular next point I'm eba beken one of the points are NDC for kran wotie on statements and answer ma wo kan ene no enhyeda enko because there Jean Mensa aka e wo ne anasem Supreme Court and the Supreme Court no say o trust witness you swear an oath ne sa nyama no to woni no akotwa ndo na echi wetumi chi utum now o say wo mo wie ye no e wo electoral commission ho no 8 agents of NDC and Mahama, they were present at the time of compilation of the form. Emma, one more sign here. Was it the total number of votes cast? No, total number of votes cast. No, it was recorded on Form 13. Was it the Form 13 had the total number of votes cast, and the Form 13 now what total number of votes cast? No. It was signed by 8 agents of John Dramani Mahama. After say it was EC headquarters one. Mahama agents 8 in Kwan and the sign here. I don't know whether they signed at the headquarters, but I want to believe that the total number of votes cast no, you can't do it at a constituency unless the headquarters, because constituency be there. Only the other to me I say well no constituency number ne pen obe to me abo. To me for other ones ne embe compile or constituency. So I want to believe says our 8 agency now we agents are we na electoral commission headquarters, so because it is only at the headquarters you know the total number across the country, but for the constituency you just know the total number in that particular constituency. So if the EC boss is telling us through her witness statement say the total number of vote cast was recorded on Form 13 and that form was signed by 8 agents of NDC or John Dramani Mahama, it tells you say these 8 agents were in Ebia, the EC headquarters. I hope you are understanding. But the NDC for some yati asiane say, womo agents no ye sheda da womo suma womo se womo pie ya na EC fa nchen wonran ebe declare. But EC so atro ama Supreme Court through the witness statement say 8 agents in Kwan of NDC na sign ye set total number of vote cast no enuni. Inti we show witness statement about their back. She has admitted to some errors, but what say errors near errors bia it will actually not affect who won the elections. Mama Watia says same way NDC for Edia Court no very simple. It is not, you don't need to know rocket science to understand this. Say in fact Supreme Court to me no say okay in some NDC for their ba yenekre yewia womo na enwiemu na yewia NDC no Supreme Court calculation no me ehun ne say yewia NDC for all right now so sa enwiemu na yewia womo no ye de mo kan na still abato na nya dia womo ebe wini a Supreme Court will not give them the release. It is as simple as that. And that is what happened in 2012. President Akufo-Addo de call court no. Court can say okay, omo can say in simply be a President Akufo-Addo kind na eye ne kra. Wo mu ye hwehwemu hu say eye ne kra, ye hu ne say simply be ye ne kra. But san semi ni na no. Ye de bomo a still Mahama winning into ye declare Mahama as the winner. So please, ebetumi aba say ne kra NDC for wiemu a wo mu say ye wi omo ebetumi aba say ne kra. Ne bia ebe kwa ko hwem no, ne bia ye wi a 100,000 and 200,000 votes. Now 200,000 votes. Your team can still Akufo-Addo enya 50 plus 1. The Supreme Court will not say young concord to abandon for. I want to be Akufo-Addo. I just want people to understand this, and I hope that this this one any contempt, it's just public knowledge at that one American. Until someone Jim Mensah wakwa kano no. In someone what they akwa to a Supreme Court ni witness statement a wa file no. In some ni bini. Muncha majo comment box ni medase.